Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, we want to solve this tricky exponential equation. Solution. Now we have 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 over 81. 81 can also be written as 3 raised to the power 4. Then we put x plus 1, this x plus 1 bracket. 3 raised to the power 4 simply means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which will give 81. Equals to, this is cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, because 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, from here we can expand this. We have 3 raised to the power x squared over 3. We multiply 4 with this bracket. So 4 times x will give 4x, and 4 times 1 will give 4, equals to 3. Now from here we're going to apply one of the laws of indices or exponents. That says if we have a raised to the power x over a raised to the power y, it becomes a raised to the power x minus y. Okay, and that's what we are doing here, because the bases are the same. This is base 3, and this is also base 3. So this becomes 3 then raised to the power s squared minus 4x plus 4 equals to 3 raised to the power 1. 3 is same thing as 3 raised to the power 1. And then, you have to put this 4x plus 4 in the brackets when you subtract it. Okay, so from here we have 3 raised to the power x squared. You use this minus to open this bracket. This is minus 4x. Now minus times plus is minus. That was minus 4. Equals to 3 raised to the power 1. Alright, so from here we can equate the powers. Equate the powers. That means that these 3, we cancel these 3. And then what do we have? We have x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals to 1. Right, so you can bring this 1 here. It becomes x squared minus 4x minus 4 minus 1 equals 0. And that becomes x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Now, we can factorize this. This is a quadratic equation. We can factorize this. Let's factorize this. Factorize. Okay, so what are the factors of 5? Minus 5, that will give minus 4. Okay, we have minus 5x plus x minus 5 equals 0. Now, minus 5 times plus 1, we give minus 5. That's factor of minus 5. And then if you put minus 5 plus 1, it gives minus 4. And that's the minus 4x that we have here. Now let's group this. The first 2 was common. This first 2 was common. X is common. What do we have left here? We have x, and here we have 5. Okay, now the last 2 was common. Plus 1 is common. Now we have x minus 5. Everything equals 0. Now by the time you open this, you expand this bracket, you have this. And don't forget your bracket, what you have in this bracket must be equivalent to what you have in this bracket. Now let's put this and this together. We have x plus 1, then you take one of the two brackets, x minus 5, everything equals 0. Right, so from here we can equate each bracket to 0. That means we have x plus 1 equals 0, and also x minus 5 equals 0. And from here, x equals to minus 1, or here, where you take minus 5 to the other side, it becomes plus 5. So x equals to minus 1, or x equals to 5. Right, so that's our final answer. Now, let's try to do this. Let's try this. Let's solve 9 raised to the power x plus 1 over 27 raised to the power 2x equals to square root of 3. Okay, so let's try to solve this and drop our answers in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you next time.